Got an old car that's been sitting in the sun too long and now the paint looks cooked? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to fix it up. You have to know some sun damage is just too deep and this trick won't cut it. Quick test for you. Pour some water over the faded area. If it blends in and the paint looks fine while it's wet, you can fix it with this trick. No repaint needed. If it still looks patchy after the water, don't worry, I'll show you how to handle that in another video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Fix Garage. We fix cars at home with nothing but the basics. No big shop, no drama, just real results. To fix that sun faded paint, we need some basic tools: sandpaper, polish, and of course a polisher machine. And we are doing it in 5 easy steps. But first, let's give this old man a proper wash. Make sure not a speck of dirt is left on it, because if dirt sticks around, your sanding is gonna wreck the paint. So now we're grabbing 2500 grit sandpaper and hitting the whole surface. Since this car been baking under the sun, the clear coat has taken some damage over time. What we're doing, stripping it down with some sanding until we hit that healthy clear coat underneath. Once we're sanded the entire panel, it's time for a good wash with car shampoo. Next up, polishing of course, but before we begin, we tape off the areas we don't want to touch. It keeps them safe and protects our polish pad too. Oh, by the way, the polish we're using here is Sonax Profline 6.2. Drop about 4 to 5 dots of whatever standard cut polish you've got onto your wool pad. Then hit a 15-inch section with a rotary machine. Run first round over the panel at the lowest speed first. Once that polish is spread out nice and even, bump the speed up to 3 or maybe 4 and go over it gently one more time. For this part, I just put the polish on the pad and started polishing. But for this section, I got my pad a little damp, and as you can see, it helps spread the polish way more evenly. So make sure to lightly mist your pad with some water. Before the polish dries on the panel, spray a bit of water and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Spraying water helps cut through the grease better. Next up, we're using Sonax Profline 3.6. For this step, grab your orbital machine and a soft polishing pad. Again, drop a few dots and start at the lowest speed. Doesn't matter what pad or polish you're using, slower speed equals more cutting, faster speed equals more shine. Once you've gone over the first pass at low speed, bump it up to 4 or 5 and polish the whole panel. Next up, we're moving to waxing. Swap out your polishing pad for a wax pad, and when it comes to waxing, no need to stick to a tiny section. Go over the whole car at speed 4 or 5, then wipe it clean with a microfiber after about 3 minutes. Got any question or run into any issue? Drop them in the comments. I will either answer or make a video showing you how. And while you're enjoying that shine, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.